very soft mangoes, a closet full of skeletons and terry cloth Kangos. Flew the coop before you hit it, let me warn you. She did a cool hula hoop, but don't get any on you. It's all a big scam to make y'all eat pig ham. When he's on the mic, he's like the trigger man, fig jam, doom. Not to be confused with nobody, especially since the flows he used was so nutty. Never too woozy to go study. Crews got no clues like old Cruddy, Officer McGillicuddy. Watch your 6, he got a lot of more tricks, lyrics, bricks on